Let's see what is the difference between Android versus iOS. Android is made by Google. iOS is made by Apple. Android works on many brands of phones. iOS works only on iPhones. Android allows more customization of the phone. iOS has fewer customization options. Android makes file sharing with a computer easier. iOS has more restrictions on file transfer. Android apps are mainly downloaded from the Google Play Store. iOS apps are downloaded from the Apple App Store. Android phones may look different depending on the brand. iOS has a similar look on all iPhones. Updates depend on the phone manufacturer. Apple provides updates directly to all supported iPhones. Android phones are available from low-cost to premium models. iPhones are usually more expensive. Android lets users choose more default apps. iOS offers fewer default app choices. Android is secure but can vary by device and settings. iOS is known for strong security and privacy controls. Android offers many hardware and battery options. iOS offers fewer device choices but tight hardware-software integration. Android may take longer to learn because of more options. iOS is often considered easier for beginners. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.